Hello everyone, welcome back to Edu Planet Academy. Today, again I came in front of you with wonderful topic. We will go. Have you ever wondered what is the chance of getting heads or what is the chance of getting tails when you toss the coin? Yes, it can be calculated with the help of probability. Yes, today's our topic is probability from 10th class math. Suppose you are tossing a coin. At the time, totally how many chances you are going to get? Yes, of course, two chances, right? One is heads, second one is tails. These total chances we have to call as outcomes. And suppose I am looking for the calculation of getting chances of heads only. So out of two chances, how many chances are there to get heads? Obviously one. Yes, right? Exactly. Probability also very easiest concept. Probability is nothing but the number of favorable chances. Yes, here I looked for getting heads, right? Easily I can calculate that P of H. P means what? Probability. Probability of heads is nothing but number of favorable outcomes divided by total outcomes. How many total outcomes? 2. And favorable outcome, it means getting head chances are how many? 1 chance. It means probability of heads is 1 by 2. That's all. Technically, probability formula will be probability equals number of favorable outcomes divided by number of total outcomes. Yes, in the by using this formula, easily we can calculate the probability of any event and any favorable outcome. Generally, this probability concept we will use in our real life situations, such as tossing a coin when the game is begins, and choosing a student whether he or she, and weather forecast and traffic signals, and rolling a dice in board games. Based on our 10th class maths, three kind of situations here involved. The first one is tossing a coin, the second one is rolling a dice, the third one is deck cards. Yes, today we are going to discuss about rolling a dice and this one, tossing a coin. Mostly every one of us know about dice. Yes, dice is a cubicle and it will have 6 phases. Each phase will have one specific number from 1 to 6. Yes, when I roll a dice, total how many chances I am going to get? It means total how many outcomes I am going to get? Those are 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 or 6. It means total 6 chances I am going to get. This could be calculated as n of E. N of E is nothing but number of outcomes of a event. How many outcomes are there? 6 outcomes are there. Suppose I am looking for the probability of 3. When I roll a dice, getting chances of 3, how many chances will be there? 1 chance, 1 out of 6. And one more, probability of getting a number, probability of a number which is greater than 3. See, greater than 3, how many numbers are there? 1, 2, 3. It means 3 out of 6. Number of favorable outcomes are 3 divided by total outcomes 6. 3 by 6. If I perform the calculation, it would be 1 upon 2. In this way, we can solve dice related problems in easiest manner. You may notice that in the previous explanation, I have used N of E. What it stands for? N of E stands for sample space, number of outcomes in the sample space. Suppose when I roll a dice, total how many outcomes I am going to get? 6 outcomes. Yes, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This would be called as sample space, number of total outcomes, number of available outcomes we have to call as sample space. So when you are going to write the number of outcomes in the sample space, it should be denoted as n of s. It means number of outcomes when the event occurs. So it will be denoted by n of s or n of e. Now we will see one more illustration about probability. See, suppose Raju has 10 pence in his pocket. Here, out of 10 pence, 3 are red pens, 4 are blue pens, 3 are black pens. Now the question is, find the probability of, without seeing, Raju is picking one pen from his pocket randomly. Now the question will be, what is the probability of getting blue pen? Then we can say that number of favorable outcomes divided by total outcomes. Number of favorable outcomes. How many blue pens are there in Raju's pocket? 4 blue pens. Out of total outcomes are how many? 10. If I perform the calculation, 2 upon 5. Can you say what is the probability of not getting blue pens? Yes. What is the probability of not getting blue pens? It means it will be 4 by 10. Inverse will be 6 by 10. Yes, right? 6 out of 10. If I perform the calculation again, it will be 3 out of 5. But the same thing, probability of event and probability of not event, it can be calculated with the help of complementary events. In the mathematics, of course, we have an idea about complementary angles. Yes, right? If two angles sum is 90 degrees, we have to call them as complementary angles. In the same manner, complementary events also will be there. Those are when an event occurs, then to find the probability of event and probability of not event always equals to 1. Yes, the sum of probability of event and probability of not event, it will be always equals to 1. Technically, we can solve any probability related problems by using this complementary event formula. Suppose probability of event equals 3 by 4. Then what is the probability of not event? Very easy. Firstly, from probability of event plus probability of not event equals to 1. Probability of event value 3 by 4 plus probability of not event equals 1. See here, probability of not event equals 1 plus 3 by 4. If I bring that side, it will become minus 3 by 4. Probability of not event equals, see, the denominator would be 4. 4 ones are 4 minus 3. It means 1 upon 4. Probability of event value is 3 by 4. Probability of not event value 1 by 4. If you add them, you are going to get 1 exactly. We will try. Probability of event value 3 by 4. Probability of not event 1 by 4. If I do the sum in between them, see what will happen. The common denominator is 4. 3 plus 1 comes in the numerator. 3 plus 1, 4 upon 4, it gives 1. Hence, proved. Now we are going to discuss about two kind of events in the probability. Those are impossible event and sure event. Firstly, we will talk about impossible event. Impossible event is that it cannot happen at all. Suppose when I roll a dice, I will get such kind of outcomes. Those are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, right? Then what is the probability of getting number 10? Here 10 is there in the outcomes? No, it is unavailable. It means I can say that probability of getting number 10 when I roll a dice, it would be 0 out of 6. It means 0 only. Yes, right? It means in the impossible event, always the probability value will be 0. The best real life example is, suppose you have two blue pens and two black pens in your pocket. Without seeing into them, you are picking a pen. Then what is the probability of getting a green pen? Yes, of course, it is 0 only.